Today I bring you how this well was made to draw water. As you can see there, it is the tip or the drill bit that is the one that does the whole process. The pipe is 16 gauge. The tubes are spliced 1 to 1. If it raises, are spliced 1 to 1 there. Is assembled from each other and a pin with a nut is attached to it. The pipe was chosen square so as not to struggle to place. Pin with nut. The same process is done with each of them. I think the size of them is 3 meters each. With the help of a pulley, as you can see it there, it is easier for both to take it out and to lower it little by little. It is important to position the rod so that the hollow tube does not fall into the hole. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be bringing very interesting content. When the whole pipe touches, sandbags are placed on each side of the bottom to give it strength as it goes around. There you can see that it is not very common. Now you will see the result. To remove it would be the same, but the other way around each tube goes, detaches from each other. The bow is caught and the pulley is used to make the bow stronger. Between neighborhood, I feel like making you the love. Make you love, 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 make you love. You got to every day's cross me in the stay back you better. That I don't see you take. That every crazy that I got, I know you hater. This would be the last one, or rather the tip or the drill bit. Look at the result. With the little bit of twisting that El Caneo gave him. Totally full. It is a long and tedious job, but good results are achieved. There, as you can see the water down there. So much for this video. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, give it to me. Hand up, see you later.